Start by downloading the Twitch app from your App Store. It's free and available for both iOS and Android. Open the app and tap Sign Up. You'll see the sign up screen popping up. Enter your email and choose a unique username. Make it memorable. Now, set a strong password. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for better security. Select your birth date. This is necessary for account verification. Tap Create Account and wait for the confirmation email to land in your inbox. Open the confirmation email and hit the verification link. This secures your account. Return to the Twitch app. Log in with your new credentials. Enjoy browsing channels. Subscribe to your favorite gamers to get started. Customize your profile by adding a profile picture and bio. Show your style. Start streaming or join live chats. Dive into the Twitch community. Congratulations! You're now part of the Twitch family. Have fun streaming.